When I first saw the icon pack by James Traff, I was really excited by it. I thought it looked amazing and I wanted just to get it out there, and I did a video showing you people about it. Little did I know that 2 weeks later this chap would have made over $150,000 by selling this pack. This is just a little bit of his story. Don't forget to hit the red button to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up and click the notification bell to get my next video first. As I mentioned in my original video of how to get James's pack, which I'll link up above, I was looking through Twitter and I was just really impressed with all of the creativity with how people had started to customize their home screens with the onset of the new iOS 14 and the fact that it now allows you to add things like widgets. But I mentioned in that when I saw James's pack, I thought it looked better than anything else I'd seen, and I really wanted to A, get it for myself, and then B, bring a video to you. Well, since then things have gone crazy, and it really started to take off just from one tweet that James put out there. I sent a few people his way with my video, but then things went even more mental when MKBHD did a YouTube video which included his as well as some others. And then sites like Cult of Mac and even the BBC here in the UK picked up on the story. This was the first tweet that James put out, and he just put current iOS 14 home screen setup. At that time it wasn't even for sale, but he got so many inquiries that he made it for sale on his website. Now, he probably went to bed thinking that he might sell 5 or 6 of them, but he got up in the morning and he made over $5,000, and this was just going crazy. So fast forward a few days, and after Marquez's video, this was James's notification screen coming in with all of the sales since that video. And as we do this video today, that video has hit over 5 million views. But 10 days after he first posted it, and 6 days after it becoming for sale, James went through the $100,000 mark. Quite incredible. And as I spoke to him earlier today, he has now gone through $150,000. So James does explain in his blog that it did only take him 6 days to go through $101,528. But like every overnight success, this was years in the making. And actually James got on board with icon design and creation right back in the days of the Cydia store when he tried to sell a product for just 99 cents. This was back in 2013. Now, he goes on to say that that little venture wasn't quite as successful because that made him a total of $17. Now, what I really like about this story is not only it's the type of thing which the internet just does brilliantly, but what James has done as well has just given you the exact reason to keep on trying and keep on trying and keep on trying, because you never know when that success is going to come. And again, in his blog post, he's been completely honest and transparent with the fact that he decided to make it quite expensive because it was a premium product in his eyes. And he also recognized very quickly that this wasn't really designed for the type of person that would do their own creation themselves and maybe charge $5. This was for someone that really wanted the hassle of this creation taken away from them, and they were quite happy to pay the $28 price. Now, I've left links to the blog and also to how to get this via my website in the description for you to check out for yourself. And also James has very kindly given me a $5 discount code, so if you use my discount code via my website, then you'll be able to pick this up for $23, not $28. Now guys, what do you think of this story? Leave me a comment below and let me know whether you think that this is a great story, typical of the internet, or is this something which you think is just not for you? I'll be interested to hear your thoughts. Thanks so much for watching this video as always, my friends. See you on the next.